Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And trolls accuse me and the mass spoofer of buying subs. I can't afford to buy any subs. But they didn't say I was buying subs when I had 8,000 subscribers, and then 800 people claiming to be Mr. Beast fans came in and then said they're going to contact Mr. Beast and he would do a video with me, and then suddenly last year that 800 subscribers disappeared. They must have been fake or something. I don't know what was going on there. They didn't accuse me of having fake subs when I went from 400 to 800 and my videos started appearing on Coast to Coast AM. Or maybe they did, I don't remember exactly. And then they went to 1,000, then 1,200, 1,400, 1,600, 1,800, 2,000. And it's gone on and on from there. And my video views, 1,300,000 over 11 years. But they're all fake. Everything is fake. Just like the people, when they come up with a news story, it's always fake news. They're obsessed with the word fake when they are the fakers. Alright, I got this today. I did not order it. And it's very silly. And I don't take baths in the bathtub because the bathtub is too short. So, I've already tried these out. I love them. But I'm going to have to put these in a bowl and see how they go. But one is not as strong as the other. These are wind-up submarine tub toys. And how am I going to do this here? How do you do this? Oh, it's on the bottom. I'm sorry. Hold on. You don't want to overwind these kind of toys because you'll break the spring that's inside. So what these do, you put them in water. Once you take the tag off. I don't like taking tags off, unlike Kathy. And then out the back comes air, and it propels itself through the water. It might propel it. It's got a wheel. It might propel itself on the floor. I don't know. All right, here's the first one. That one's pretty strong. And then if you've always wanted your very own yellow submarine, we all live in the yellow submarine. And I can't do impressions because I've got no teeth. It's affecting my mouth. My lip went numb when I had COVID. I think that it never quite went away. Okay, very annoying. All right, here's the second one. It's not as strong, but it's still cute. I really like these. Now, there's a note here. Now, if I have a sub, I'd rather have a Subway sandwich with meatballs, green peppers, yellow peppers, not the hot ones, tomatoes, a little bit of purple onion, pickles, and cucumbers, and Parmesan cheese, toasted. Alright. This says, I heard I was buying you subs, so I figured I should send them to you. Enjoy your subs. Read this in your stream from the Mass Spoofer. Well, thank you, Mass Spoofer. Next time, send sandwiches. I'm hungry. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. I've got to get going soon. I've got one more video to do, then I must leave the house. I've got places to go and things to do, and I got to go get food. But these are very cute. For now, I will put them on the shelf somewhere until I can put them in a dish of water and angle the camera down so you can see if these things really go or not. Or take my iPad and put them in the dish of water, take it out on the balcony where I don't have to worry about spilling on the camera. Bye-bye for now.